Hello everyone. In the previous video, I showed you all how you can actually use Microsoft Word styles to set the different styles for your headings like this, like for how we did for heading 1 and heading 2. So if you missed that video, please go check it out. But in this one, I'm actually going to show you how we can create our own Microsoft Word styles. So let's actually go ahead and remove the formatting here. We'll just kind of get it back to where it was. And maybe we want to create our own Microsoft Word style. These are the different options that are available to you, but there's not that many here. So there could be a case where you want to go ahead and you want to add your own style. So let's go ahead and modify this one, and then we're going to save it as a style. So all we're going to do is we're going to highlight this section, and we're going to start making changes to it. It's not going to be pretty. I'm just going to do something quick here. But let's go ahead and select the Broadway font, and then we can change the size to 18. And then the color to like this blue color. Now, it's not the prettiest looking word style here, but let's go ahead and highlight it. And then let's come over here to the drop down. Let's do a create a style. And you can see this is what the style is going to look like, and we can give it a name. So let's call it heading 1 alt. Let's select OK. All right, now we have this saved. You see it's up here in the style. So if we come over here to heading 2 and we highlight it, we can go ahead and select this. And now we have this new style available to us that we can use throughout our document. There is another way that you can do this using the format painter, but for me, it's a much better option to be able just to save it up here in the Microsoft styles. And the cool part of that is that if someone was to come into your document, they're going to see that it's been formatted with the same exact heading all throughout the document. There's not one heading style here for heading 1 and then a different style down here for heading 1. I mean, it's going to look uniform. It's going to look clean. So that's how you're actually able to create your own Microsoft Word styles.